Math Kangaroo is an annual international competition in mathematics. If you are struggling with the Math Kangaroo problems, this video will help explain how to solve them. This particular video will be directed towards problem 1 through 5 of the levels 3 and 4 exam from 2017. Problem 1 reads, which of the pieces A through E will fit between the two pieces shown above so the two equalities are true? The answers are shown here as A through E. To find the solution, you look at the first equation. The puzzle piece in the middle must equal 8 minus 3, which equals 5. The answer for the equation in the piece in the middle is 2. The only equation in the middle pieces that equals 2 is 1 plus 1. Therefore, the answer is E. It equals 5, and the equation 1 plus 1 equals 2. Problem 2 reads, John looks out the window. He sees half the kangaroos in the park. See the picture below. How many kangaroos are there in the park? The answers given are 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. To solve this problem, you notice that they say that they see half of the kangaroos. The number of kangaroos seen is 6. You need to double half to get the whole. So 6 times 2 equals 12. The answer is 12, which is A. Problem 3 reads, two transparent grids have some dark squares as shown. They both slide into place on top of the board shown in the middle. Now the pictures behind the dark squares cannot be seen. Only one of the pictures can be seen. Which one is it? The options are the car, the dog, the clock, the flower, and the butterfly. Now, if you take a 3 by 3 grid and you mark out all the dark squares, then you will get what is left here on the right-hand side, and you see that underneath that, in the yellow square, is the butterfly. The butterfly is answer E. Problem 4 reads, a picture of footprints was turned upside down. Which set of footprints is missing? And the answers are the pictures below, which are different types of footprints. Now, what I did for this was I took each set of footprints, and each of the same ones are circled with the similar color. So one is colored in green, one yellow, one blue, and one black. Now, if you compare these different circles, you see that the one in blue only has one pair or two footprints, whereas the other one has 4 footprints or 2 pair. Therefore, the answer corresponds with letter C. Problem 5 reads, what number is hidden behind the panda? This is basically subtraction and addition, and the answers are 16, 18, 20, 24, and 28. To find the answer, we just plug the numbers into the boxes. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Add 8 to that, which is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 equals 26. 26 minus 10 equals letter A, which is 16, which is the panda.